Hi guys, I'm Yogesh and today we are going to learn PowerShell. Let's talk about what is PowerShell and do we really need to learn PowerShell? Yeah guys, this is a scripting language and very important for Windows administrator. And what is the future and architect and how it is work, we will learn throughout this course. Don't worry about it. Securing the shell. How much the scripting language is secure for our environment. It's way more secure than VB and you can turn off whenever you want. And how can we manage file and folders? Yeah, you can manage very easily. Yeah, we will learn everything. I'm just telling you how much we can do with the PowerShell, and we are going to this all of these things in our course. What are the command line tips and tricks? Every scripting language have some commands, tips, and tricks, and it has something unique one. What about the command line snap and then aliases? Yeah, every command line tool, every script, some has basic commands and you can just run it and get the result, and you can add those command in your scripts as well. Yeah, there are some snap-ins and there are some small aliases which we can use in our scripts. Basic command for process services event logs, yes, it's available. You don't need to write script for everything. Yeah, there are some small commands already there for your Windows. Remoting. Whenever we talk about the scripting language, so the first question comes in mind, can we run this on the remote? Yes, from the retrieve management information from remote components, we can say it's a WMI and Windows management instrumentation. You can use that to run the script from the remote. Using variable objects and members, yes, you can use variables, objects and member in scripts. Yeah. The pipeline, it's very important, I can say the most important part of the PowerShell scripting. It really helps us to join the things together. If you want to, let me explain it later on, no problem about it. Maths and comparison operators. What is the maths? And yeah, if we are going to run any scripting language, math and comparison operators is always there. Sorting, measuring, selecting and filtering. You can very easily sort your data, measure your data and selecting and filter out that too. Working with the collection object, it's already have so many collection you work and you can create a custom objects too. The formatting subsystem, whatever the output PowerShell provide you, you can change their formatting. It's very easy to use and very beautiful to see. Yeah, exporting, converting, importing and comparing. You can export output to into any file, you can convert into HTML, you can import any data from particular file and use in your script or in a command, and compare two different files and tools and something like that. Yeah, most of the administrator are looking for, can this works on an Active Directory? Yes guys, it really helps us in Active Directory too. You can create, manage your Active Directory user groups, etc. Even in Azure AD also it provide, it's giving very important role. Windows PowerShell scripts. Yeah, earlier we are using a VB script and some command line, some batch files. Now it's completely a scripting language for Windows Windows users and administrator. It's its scripting language. Really, admin getting scared of it? Don't scare it at all. It's a shell language and it's not any other scripting language. Those have more than 100 keywords. It contains only 14 keywords. Scripts, blocks, and functions. Yeah, everything is on a place. You just need to learn that. Pipeline functions deeper. Pipeline, as already told you, it's very playing very important role in PowerShell, and it's all getting deeper by deeper as our course goes. Comes custom object and function for admin. Yeah, you can create your custom objects. Some objects are available, but suppose whenever we require some objects so oftenly, when we can create that custom object and function for administrator, and then you can use that same function in a various scripts. Error trapping and handling. Sometimes logs are too long, it's very difficult for us to find the error, and PowerShell, it's really very helpful tool in that case. Script debugging. Earlier we create a scripts in a notepad and some other tool, it's very difficult for us to debugging. But in PowerShell, the PowerShell provide its own tool. It's very helpful for a debugging. It can provide you exact line and character where could be the error. Yeah. Regular expression, the technology we are using in Windows PowerShell that help us to recognize different type of data based on their format, that does not use for any data validation. It helps you when you need a small piece of information in a big log file. Now we are creating an administrator tool in the Windows PowerShell from scratch. It's a very practical tool that provide immediate response, and Windows PowerShell is very easy, exciting thing and very powerful tool for administrator. Let's learn together in our series of PowerShell videos. Thank you so much for hearing me.